Here we have an HD wireless adapter. If you want to stream stuff from your PC, from your laptop, from your phone, directly onto your TV with this apparatus, you get to stream wirelessly, so there's no cords or anything in the way. Pretty simple setup. You have a bunch of different ports. Even goes back to the old connections, HDMI, monitor, USB. So very small. It's not going to take up too much space. You have the antennas, and those go in here pretty easily. I did forget to mention there is both the antenna and the TV connector both require power. They supply both the connections here and the wires. All right, so a couple plugins: the HDMI that goes into the TV and the power supply. So here, I put it to our living room TV, and let's try it out. All right, so the transmitter also requires power. It's attached to your laptop, and now we are casting over the TV. There's Amazon. All right, so it's paired up, and go ahead and display a video up there.
YouTube streaming is a disaster, man. It's so confusing.